Ready? Score. Yeah, never mind. Ramsey, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, go! Now look, he's using a forward cut and a back cut. So this is an interesting way of using that right here. And it looks like so far it's quite effective.
Come on, Randy.
Oh, he got it. He got it. Yes, sir. For those of you that's watching, the world record for cutting a 2x4 in half with a 10-inch blade is 2.1 seconds. I can't get a pull-on chainsaw started in that time. What do you do?
I don't know if it's all the way through, but it could.
Okay. Nope.
Come on, Lindsay, you can do it.
All right, some of these guys practice. Some of us made boards, tables that they can practice on with regulated heights. They take this thing serious. The reason they take it serious is so they can provide you with the best knife possible.